Hi, in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a single support study. Go to etrials.assessments.org and you will see this login page. Click Login, then log in with Google or Canvas. For this demo, I will use Google. Enter your Gmail and password. Click Next. Then you will see this OSF page. If you have an OSF account and would like to link to it, just enter your OSF ID. If you don't have one, that's okay. Just click Skip. Now click Add New Study. Select Single Support and click Add Study. As an overview, this page shows you the 4 steps of the workflow. Here is the basic step, where we are now, then the conditions step, the build step, and the deploy step. For the study name and the research question, you can put anything there. You can also come back later and fill this in if you'd like to. Now let's click on the conditions step. You can also click the next button at the bottom right. For this study, you only have one condition, so leave that as it is. No need to fill anything in for the condition name and description. Now click Add Problem Set by ID and enter the problem set ID we give you. Here I'll just add an example ID. Click Search and you will see the problem set displayed. Now click the Build step in the workflow or the next button, so you can start to build your hints or explanations. On the left panel, you can see each problem in the problem set. Each one has an ID that starts with PR. Let's start with the first problem. Select it, then click Add Hint or Add Explanation. First, I will demonstrate how to add hints. Click Add Hint, add your content for Hint 1. Then add another hint, content for Hint 2. Add another hint, content for Hint 3. You may add as many hints as necessary. Also, you may use words, video, or image for the hints. Anything that you think is helpful for students. To add a video, click the video icon. Add the link to your video and save. To add an image, click the image icon and the link to your image or upload. Make sure you click Save as you add hints and don't put the answer in the hints. Now on this other problem, I will show you how to add an explanation. Click Add Explanation, then add your content for the explanation using words, video, or image. It will be a complete explanation of how to solve the problem, so it's okay to have the answer in it. After building the hints or explanations, click Deploy. Then Student Preview to preview your work as a student. If you find an error, you can just return to the previous step and fix it. Finally, when it is done, you can submit for deployment. At this point, we will be notified and will check your work. If it is accepted, we will notify you, and students will start to use your hints or explanations. Thank you. That's all for now. Please let me know if you have any questions.